Your intro video is the most crucial part of your application because the employer uses it to decide whether they should call you in for an interview or not. So you really need to make it enticing and very convincing so that you'll be a good candidate for the teaching position. Follow the following steps and you're good to go. Next is an example of how you can make your intro video.
Hi, my name is Thokozile and I am from a beautiful country, South Africa. I am currently studying digital marketing and I'm also a certified TESOL teacher. I have got 1 year experience of teaching English online, and my interests are learning different languages and learning about different cultures as well. I can speak 6 languages from my home country, so I know how difficult it is to learn a language. I have experience teaching children as young as 4 years old. I've taught teenagers and also adults. So I know how difficult it is to learn a language, and that's why I would like to have this opportunity to help you communicate better in English. If you are shy and you don't know where to start, please believe me, I know where you're coming from. So please do not hesitate to book me for your trial lesson, and I'm hoping to see you soon in class so that I can help you communicate better. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Now that you've got an idea of what you can say in your intro video, let's see what you need to get started. You'll need a camera or a camera phone and read instructions on how they want the video to be shot. Need good lighting, clear and clean background unless you're applying to teach kids and the company specifically asked you to have an educational background display. You need to have good attitude because you might record yourself multiple times before you get it right. And the script will come in handy because it will help you remember what you intend to say. Another thing I think you should know is that some companies would suggest that you have subtitles displayed as you speak, but some would not. And they would suggest that you have emojis or any other icons that will pop on the screen while you talk. This is, however, not a requirement. But if you do decide to do so, there are lots of video editing tools that you can get for free. InShot is user-friendly and I sometimes use it for my videos. You've made it this far. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. In the next video, I will be sharing with you side hustle jobs you can start without any experience. Yes, without any experience or money. So you definitely don't want to miss it. Until next time, please take care and remember, the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. So be patient. Bye.